Legendholdings Corporation was founded in 1984 by Liu Chuanqi and 10 other researchers. They started from IT industry and entered into investment business in 2001, an active strategic transformation of the company. Now, it is a leading diversified investment group in China. It builds up a unique business model of strategic investments plus financial investments through value creation and value discovery. The company cultivates and manages an outstanding investment portfolio with growth potential, driving sustainable value growth. The company was listed on the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange on June 29, 2015. With the ambitious acquisition of IBM PC business in 2004, Lenovo made a debut in the global market. Its results soared up quickly. In 2009, the financial crisis swept across the world, and Lenovo Group was bruised and crippled with losses. A whisper started to go around. Lenovo is on the brink of an abyss. At that moment, Liu Chuanqi, founder of Lenovo, reassumed stewardship as chairman of the board. Back at the helms, Liu made a pledge to the world. Lenovo will make itself into a great company. The tide turned swiftly after 2 quarters, when Liu Chuanqi and Yang Yuanqing successfully turned the company into black. In 2013, Lenovo became the world's largest PC company. No mountain too high, no odds too formidable. It is this fierce spirit of perseverance in what we believe that carries Legendholdings over all the heights and depths. In 2001, a crew of IT veterans led by the current president of Legendholdings, Zhu Linan, signaled the rise of Legend Capital by their cautious yet vigorous voyage. It was a challenging moment. Rapid industrial and technological growth stood in contrast to a fledgling financial industry where trails were yet to be broken for the engine of capital. Legend Capital searched far and beyond in global learning and gradually uncovered patterns and rules in building their own investment practice. After their first exit project, the Legend Capital team's internal post-game analysis report runs over 30 pages. At Legendholdings, learning is a way of life. A decade later, Legend Capital stood at the very top of China's domestic venture capital investment industry. The experiences and confidence accumulated in its growth has become a precious asset for Legendholdings' continuous expansion in PE, angel investments, and strategic investments. In 2005, internet finance was just burgeoning in China, and Legendholdings was set up to explore this blue sea. It received initial investment from Legend Capital on establishment, and the strategic investment from Legendholdings in 2011 brought it to the fast track. In the same year, it became one of the first licensed companies for a third-party payment in China. Helping the invested companies in value enhancement has always been the philosophy we hold on to, as well as the core competitiveness we built up in Legendholdings. For over a decade, Legendholdings, which is known for being good at knowledge and enterprises and understandings and talents, has been supporting Legendholdings with capital and resources and enabled it to realize 3 strategic critical leaps forward. During that period, China's internet finance sector grew rapidly into a world leader. There was tremendous potential, yet the competition was extremely fierce. However, Legendholdings successfully realized a total payment of approximately €273.6 billion and became the 3rd biggest internet-based payment company. Revenue rose from approximately €11 million in 2010 to approximately €328 million in 2016. Leccala started issuing internet consumption loans in 2015, and now, by making use of big data, it has excelled over all competitors in the market. Leccala today has grown into a leading platform of comprehensive internet financial services and is likely to be the first listed payment company in China. We share the same ambition. Let's work hard to create a better future together. From the Lenovo Group, Legend Capital to Leccala Payment, Legend Holdings continues to create new success stories one after another in its evolution. Alongside earth-shaking changes in China, the little firm started over 30 years ago in that humble reception lodge is now a leading Chinese investment group with two major businesses. The strategic investments business, covering 5 key business segments, within which BIL is positioned to be one of the heavyweight players in the financial services segment of Legend Holdings, and the financial investments business encompassing all stages of a company's life cycle. Yet the spirit of entrepreneurship, born from that little lodge, never faded over those 30 years. It drives new joiners from inexperience to maturity. It makes soldiers into commanders. It fortifies us against hubris in face of petty victories and despair in face of obstacles. At the 20th anniversary of Legend Holdings, a French journalist asked Liu Chuanji how he would feel about what has been built today in another 20 years. He replied, "Just like how I feel right now looking back on what we started in that small lodge."